Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy pepper and garlic shrimp or กุ้งทอดกระเทียม Let's get started. The recipe today very quick and easy. The Thai name is a กุ้งทอดกระเทียมพริกไทย Okay, first I'm going to add a 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Just gonna wait just a second until the oil a little bit hot. Okay, in the low heat, I'm going to add 3 chopped garlic. I'm chopping a little bit big chunk today because I don't want to be burned with the shrimp. Okay, so I'm going to add the shrimp. The oil not have to be very hot, so the garlic can open up all the oil for this recipe. All right, we want a big chunk the garlic and the flavorful garlic, so I use 3 chopped garlic. All right. Okay, and now our garlic start turning to be golden. I'm going to add our shrimp right now. All right. For the shrimp, I use the 1 pound large shrimp. It's about like 27 pieces of shrimp. Okay. Alright, see the garlic. It looks really good. It's big chunk. And also this recipe really easy and quick. Easy for your weekday or for your lazy day. So it will be very easy. Okay, I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit. You don't have to wait until the shrimp is cooking. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon sea salt and 2 teaspoons the black pepper. Okay. They're not sprinkled on top, but I'm gonna mix them. Okay. By the way, when I just cooking the garlic, I run out the gas. I just change the gas actually. Okay. It's now I forget. Hold on. Okay, now I try to mix them well together with the garlic and remember the shrimp is really fast to cook, so I'm gonna add the next ingredient now. Okay, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons the Golden Mountain seasoning soy sauce. Sometimes when I cooking, I forget I didn't use the spoon. Okay, I use 2 tablespoons. Okay. And I'm going to use the black soy sauce. I'm going to use the 1.5 tablespoons black soy sauce. Just for the caramelize and the color. Wow. 1.5 tablespoons. If you like it more darker, you can add more. Okay, and they cook very fast. Now I'm going to give them the last mix. Okay, now all the shrimp change the color and start cooking. They're all even cooking already. Now we're going to add the green onion, the big handful green onion. Okay, give this a good color. Give this a mix. Okay, and just a second. Next, I'm going to add cilantro, big handful cilantro also. Cilantro going. Okay, give this a mix again. Look at this, the cilantro, garlic and green onion. Oh wow. Alright, that's it. We're done. Okay, hang on, we're not done. This very important ingredient. Okay, the crispy garlic. For the crispy garlic, you can add much that you like. So I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons, 2 big tablespoons. Okay, give them the last mix. Okay, now I already turned off the stove, and I would like you to see today I use a crispy garlic that already made that I buy from the store, and they're very good and easy when you want to use a lot of garlic. So this is another choice, very easy. So okay, that's it, all way done. Now I put everything in the plate and ready to try this, and very quick and easy like I promised you in the beginning. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so I'm going to try the shrimp with the rice. I have today I not run out of sriracha sauce, so I have the sriracha sauce. Okay, just a little bit of sauce. Okay, and now I try with rice. You don't have to try with rice. You can eat just the appetizer, but I'm going to try with the rice. I like the crispy garlic and cilantro and onion. Really make the change for this recipe. Okay, this is another bite. Crispy garlic. You want to eat one more and one more and one more. Okay, now everybody cannot wait to eat the shrimp. So I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.